Well, Damola, as you know, it was earlier referred to by my colleague S.A. that if you look in the build-up of traditional rulers or traditional institutions in Nigeria now, you virtually have everyone. You have, actually it is said that there's kind of competition now between the military and the lawyers for appointment as traditional rulers, because you have many retired generals, and then you have many retired justices and the jurists, as you have just seen. Now, with that, it is very difficult for somebody who has like the Asaba of Asaba now, for him to go and stay in a cocoon in Asaba without keeping in touch with contemporary issues that are happening in the world today. Okay. So days have gone when you had unlettered, pardon my use of the word unlettered, when you have unlettered people as traditional rulers. You don't have any such people anymore. I believe everywhere now they make sure that the selection process brings up or throws out the best from that community. And the best from any community, of course, would like to keep in touch with contemporary modern issues so that his community is not left behind. That is my take on that. But now the larger picture. There is currently, in the legal profession, currently there is this wind of change blowing, the wind of, staying away from pure litigation and going back through to arbitration and settling disputes amicably without necessarily going to do the win-lose situation. If you go to court, there must be a winner and a loser. And if you have a sole loser, that he creates enmity, then you have a problem. So we are now gravitating towards a situation of win-win. And that is a situation whereby the two parties, like in a community, if there's a kind of, which happens every day now, you have farmers and herders dispute, you have all sorts of things like that. Now, in a situation like that, they go before the, what do you call, a mediator. Now, the traditional rulers had all the time been mediators. They have no job apart from mediating to ensure that there is peace and good governance in their communities. Now, I would suggest that each traditional institution in this country now keeps abreast of the basic concepts of alternative dispute resolution. That's ADR. I'm sure everyone now is people are getting used to that. There are various doors to this alternative dispute resolution. Before, you only had one door, one single door, which is the door that leads to litigation. Now, with ADR, you have different doors. It's like a house with different doors. You can now open any door you like. You can open the door of what you call early neutral evaluation. You can open the door of mediation. You can open the door of negotiation. All these concepts have different outcomes, but they are all for good.
Okay.